Namaskar, Khushro Vidya. Myself, Javin Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is electroencephalography (EEG). Electroencephalography is the study of electrical activities of brain. Electroencephalography is the graphical recording of electrical activities of brain. Significance of EEG: it is useful in diagnosis of neuronal disorders and sleep disorders. EEG pattern is altered in following neurological conditions. First, epilepsy, which occurs due to excessive discharge of impulse from cerebral cortex. Second one, disorder of midbrain and affecting ascending reticular activating system. Third one is subdural hematoma, during which there is collection of blood in subdural space over the cerebral cortex. Waves of EEG. Electrical activity recorded by EEG may have synchronized or desynchronized wave. Synchronized wave are the regular and invariant wave, whereas desynchronized wave are irregular and variant. In normal person, EEG has three frequency bands. First, alpha rhythm, second, beta rhythm, and delta rhythm. In addition to these three type of waves, EEG in children shows theta wave. Alpha rhythm. Alpha rhythm consists of rhythmical waves which appear at a frequency of 8 to 12 waves per second with amplitude of 15 microvolt. Alpha wave are synchronized wave. Alpha rhythm is obtained in inattentive brain or mind, as in drowsiness, sleep, light sleep, or necrosis with closed eye. Is abolished by visual stimuli or any other type of stimuli or by mental effort. So it is diminished when eyes are open. So in this diagram, these are alpha waves. So you can see diminish after eye open and again reappear after eye closed. These are beta wave, theta wave, delta waves. Beta rhythm. Beta rhythm include high frequency wave of 15 to 60 per second, but the amplitude is low, that is 5 to 10 microvolt. Beta wave are desynchronized wave. Beta rhythm is recorded during mental activity or mental tension or arousal state. It is not affected by opening the eyes during high mental activity or peak performance state like conscious activity, problem solving, and fear. Very high frequency wave of 30 to 100 per second appear. Some controversy exists in naming such wave. Often very high frequency wave are called gamma rhythm. However, many scientists consider this wave as beta rhythm. Delta rhythm. Delta rhythm include wave with low frequency and high amplitude. These waves have the frequency of 1 to 5 per second with amplitude of 20 to 200 microvolt. It is common in early childhood during waking hours. In adult, it appears mostly during deep sleep. Presence of delta wave in adult during conditions other than sleep indicate the pathological process in brain like tumor, epilepsy, increased intracranial pressure, and mental deficiency or depression. These waves are not affected by opening the eyes. Theta wave are obtained generally in children below 5 years of age. These waves are of low frequency and low voltage wave. Frequency of theta wave is 4 to 8% and amplitude is about 10 microvolt. Type of sleep. Sleep is of two types: rapid eye movement sleep, REM sleep, and non-rapid eye movement sleep, NREM sleep or non-REM sleep. Rapid eye movement sleep, REM sleep, is the type of sleep associated with rapid conjugate movement of eyeball which occur frequently. Though the eyeball move, the sleep is deep. It is also called paradoxical sleep. It occupies about 20 to 30% of sleeping period. Functionally, REM sleep is very important because it plays an important role in consolidation of memory. Dreams occur during this period. Non-REM sleep is the type of sleep without the movement of eyeball. It is also called slow wave sleep. Dream don't occur in this type of sleep and it occupies about 70 to 80% of total sleeping period. Non-REM sleep is followed by REM sleep. So this is wave of REM sleep and non-REM sleep. Stage first. Stage. There are 4 stages in non-REM sleep. We will discuss further. In stage second, this wave occurs. Stage third, and this is stage 4. Non-REM sleep is followed by REM sleep. This is wakeful condition. Stages of sleep and easy pattern rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, easy so irregular waves with high frequency and low amplitude. These waves are desynchronized wave known rapid sleep. NRM sleep is divided into 4 stages based on the easy pattern. During the stage of wakefulness, the while lying down with closed eyes and relaxed mind, the alpha wave of easy appear. When the person proceeds to drowsy state, alpha wave dimness. So you can see stage first, stage of drowsiness. Alpha wave are diminished and abolished, easy so only low voltage fluctuations and infrequent delta waves. Second is stage of light sleep. Stage second is characterized by spindle burst at a frequency of 14 per second, superimposed by low voltage delta wave. Stage third, stage of medium sleep. During this stage, the spindle bursts disappear, frequency of delta wave decreased to 1 to 2 per second, and amplitude increased to 100 microvolt. Stage fourth, stage of deep sleep. Delta wave become more prominent with low frequency and high amplitude. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.